Ever wonder what happens when your luxury watch meets water? Now let me show you the horror. Just look at all that rust on the dial and movement. It's in pretty rough shape. Now that's enough talking. Let's get straight to it. And just like that, our Swiss-trained watchmaker has brought this timepiece back to life. This video is a reminder of why keeping your luxury watch water resistant is very important. To avoid water damage, always ensure that your luxury watch is fully sealed and secured. Check that all screws and crowns are tightly secured and make sure the gasket is in good condition. If you find this video helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more luxury watch content. Feel free to drop a few comments down below and let us know what you guys want to see next. And also do follow us on our social media platform here at watchlabsg. That's all from me. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video.